In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an ebook on Gumroad. First, open your browser and go to your Gumroad dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct account where you want to sell your ebook. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the products option in the main menu and click on it. This is where all of your digital products will live. On the products page, find and click on the new product button. This starts the process of creating a brand new listing for your ebook. A setup window or page will appear, asking for some basic details. Begin by typing in the name of your ebook. Choose a clear, descriptive title that matches what customers will actually receive. After that, select the product type. From the available options, click on eBook so Gumroad knows how to handle and deliver your file. Next, type in the price. You can enter a fixed price based on your strategy and the value you're providing. Remember, you can adjust this later, so don't overthink it at this stage. Now scroll to the top right of the page and click on Next, Customize. This will take you to a more detailed setup screen where you can shape how your product appears to buyers. In the description area, click into the field and add an in-depth description of your ebook. Explain what it covers, who it's for, and what results or benefits readers can expect. Then click into the URL field and choose a simple, memorable URL ending for your product page. Move to the cover section and click on Upload images or videos to add your main product cover. This is what people will see first, so use a high quality image. In the thumbnail section, click Upload again to add a smaller image that represents your ebook across the site. In the product info section, open the call to action drop-down and pick the phrase you want, like buy this or I want this, depending on your tone. Then add a short summary, and if you want, include additional details such as who you are or how to use the ebook. Scroll to the integration section. Here you can choose to invite customers to a Gumroad community chat, a Circle community, or a Discord server by toggling these options on. After that, look at the pricing section. You can allow customers to pay what they want, pay in installments, or automatically apply a discount code. In the versions section, decide if you want to add different versions of the product, such as a standard and a deluxe edition. Then go to the settings section, where you can control options like limiting product sales or allowing customers to choose a quantity. At the very bottom, you can add your domain if you want your product page to live under a custom address. When everything looks good, click on Save and Continue. Next, you'll see the content section. Click into the content field to add your ebook copy. You can paste text, format it, add hyperlinks and images, and even click on plus page to add additional pages if needed. Once your content is fully added and formatted the way you want, finish the process by clicking on Publish and Continue. Your ebook is now live and ready for customers.